Hi everyone, I am doing Chapter 9, Lesson 2. We are adding like fractions. I love this lesson because the denominators are the same, which makes it very easy on us. Okay, so when you're adding like fractions, the reason why it says like is because the denominators are the same. In order to add fractions straight across, you have to have the same denominator. In this particular lesson, they are the same. So what you do is bring the denominator over to your answer. The 4 is going to stay. Then you add the numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then you check, is it simplified? It is simplified because the only numbers they share are the number 1 as a factor. So adding like fractions, what did we just do? If the fraction denominators are the same, you put it as your denominator. You add the numerators and then check and see if it's simplified. Let's see another example. What if I had 2/4 plus 2/4? Well, my 4 is going to be my denominator, bring it over, and then add the top, 2 plus 2, which is 4. What happens when your numerator is the same thing as your denominator? Remember, we can read this as division. 4 divided by 4 is 1. We can also think of it as a number line, right? When you get a number line, 4 out of 4 is the whole. So 4 over 4 simplified is 1 whole, okay? Let's do another example. What if I had 2/4 plus 3/4? So bring the denominator over, which is a 4, and then add the numerators. 2 plus 3 is 5. Do you guys remember what happens? This is improper. When it's improper, you have to divide. 5 divided by 4. So we're going to go ahead and set that up and divide. 4 goes into 5 once. 1 times 4 is 4, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So always take the number up top, and that comes out in front, and then what's left over is 1 out of 4. So your simplified answer is 1 1/4. All right, you guys, those are 3 examples of how to add like fractions when you get a smaller numerator, the same numerator, or a bigger one, and how to complete those. Please make sure your answer is simplified. You can simplify by finding the greatest common factor. You can also divide when it is an improper fraction.